Hello everyone, this is our group project which is based on movie ticket booking system. Here we connect a Django with React using Django REST framework. Here there is a data of user which logged in or sign up. Here booking data of user who purchased a movie. Then here data of movie, particular movie on which date seats are purchased or not. Here 0 means seats are purchased on that. Okay. Here sorry for here we make here backend in backend there is a logic of Django, and in movie ticket there is a logic of React. Here you can see in booking details we have data of customers, like which movie purchased by customers and price, their its seats numbers and other information. And in seat details we have data of movie, like on which date movies are selected and time stored and seat status. Okay, suppose if we are going to that like here, it automatically gone to home page because we don't sign up or login. Suppose login abc@gmail.com. So we logged in successfully. Bookings here, this is the data of my movie ticket which I purchased previously. Suppose I want to purchase Pushpa 2 movie. Suppose there is a ticket purchased previously, then we can see that their data is stored in database. Movie availability Pushpa 2 10/9/2024 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Suppose we are 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so we can see 3 and 10 number books is already selected because we previously purchased it on other account or else. Suppose I want to purchase 6 10 12 no, like I am going to purchase last 4 6, so we can see easily. Here we selected this seat. Now these seats are, you can see that these seats are not purchased there because their number is 1. Suppose we purchased it, so this is now purchased. So suppose load it, so you can see that Pushpa 2 movie last 4 seats are selected. Then go to bookings, then you can see Pushpa 2 movie 21 22 23 24 seats number are purchased. Suppose we search Jawan, and it shows Jawan movie. Here currently images are not loaded because site is in some error. Suppose these movies we want to buy, so suppose we see like 12 fell 15/9, so 15/9, so there is a data of 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay, but we don't want to buy it, so then we are going to, so there is a no data of 12 fail movie rather than 15/9/2024. So if we select any, suppose we are selecting first 6 seats, then so at abc@gmail.com we have total price of total amount rupees 1500. There is no data of 12 fail, so there is a data of id 9, so can see. Okay, 12th fail, again load it. So we have data of 12th fail. We select first 6 seats, so there is a 6 seats which number is 0. Here number 0 means seats already purchased, and 1 means seats are not purchased yet. Okay, booking seats, 12th fail. Suppose I am log out, I want to sign up, then which sign up ID, suppose I am going to wer@gmail.com, wer, password be wer, sign up, then wer@gmail, sign up successfully. We are in user data wer@gmail.com. There is, if you going to your purchases, there is no data of purchases because we recently created an account. Suppose animal movie, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I don't want to purchase this. So thanks for watching.